Hi, my name is Vincent Olabimide. I'm the founder of Encrisoft and the creator of Alerta. Alerta is a tool that instantly helps you to know what happens whenever it does. Alerta can work with fintechs, health tech, crypto, edtech, govtech, and even retail. Aleta can integrate with Teams, that is your workspace, such as Teams, Discord, Google Chat, Skype, Telegram, or even Slack, whichever one you use. Now, Aleta is highly customizable. That's what makes it unique. You can basically know whatever happens whenever it does. And when I say whatever happens, for example, if you are in the fintech space and you want to know when there is a withdrawal, or you want to know when any single operation happens, you could be a founder, you could be the CEO, you could be the product manager, you could be the developer yourself. You want to know exactly how your code is working, if there are some errors being thrown, if there are some success, when people are operating your application, Aleta can help you to know all of this. So in this video, it's not going to be too technical. We're just going to see how Aleta works in real time and various use cases. So let's look at how we can get started. So to get started with Alerta, you just need to create an account by going to app.usealerta.com, and then you fill in the details and you get your account in less than 2 minutes. After you created an account, you get a verification link in your email and then you log in. Right? So we already have an account. We're not going to do that process. So let's just go to the dashboard. So this is right where it's going to take you to when you are done creating the account. It shows you your wallet balance, which you're going to get 5,000 tokens by default when you create an account, the channels you've integrated, the request you made, right? So I'm just going to go directly to integrations, and you're going to see all the platforms you can integrate, and you can click on Slack if that is what you use, which is currently what I'm going to demo with. So I've already done this process. So I'm just going to show you how these messages can be triggered directly from the code base. So let's look at Slack, for example. So this is a workspace, and a channel has been created called Aleta Update. So whoever is in this channel, let's take, for example, the health tech. We have maybe the nurse, the doctor, the whoever is working in the particular industry, in that office. If they are on Slack and they are in this channel, whatever message comes to this channel, everybody gets to know immediately. So for example, a patient result is out and you just want to know if it's out or not. Let's say patient A test result is out. So it's messages that can be sent to this channel definitely could be confidential. It could be not confidential as well. All right. So you determine what type of message should come. So it could be just patient A result taken on so date has arrived. Right. We could also have fintech space where a particular withdrawal happened multiple times, and then you want to know as a developer or as the product manager or as the accountant, the finance associate. So far you're in this channel, when that message comes in, you're going to see it. Whoever is responsible to take on that particular request or react to that message would see it as well. Right. So let's take, for example, fintech, and let's see how the message comes. So I'm going to, you don't have to worry if you are not technical, this is not something you have to do. It's the developer who does this. We can also integrate for you. You just need to register or sign up, and we'll take it from there. So for example, let's say we have a transfer field, all right, and they want to trigger this by ourselves from the code. And mind you, this integration can only be done once, should only be done once by your engineer, and then you can always have the update. You don't have to do this all the time. So let's send a message from the code, for example. And you see that we have transfer field. It could be money transfer, it could be any transfer at all. All right. Now this message has come here. In a case where the transfer has now been resolved, it's no longer filled, that particular transaction has been resolved. You want to get an update later. The same process, but then this time around from the reply section. So look at this. So just copy the thread ID, and then I just say transfer is now resolved. So mind you, all of this is happening from the code, and when that is sent, you realize that so there is a, let's see, the response didn't come. Let's ensure that we send to that particular thread. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. Okay, all right, this is arrived. So we have it twice. So you see the message came twice. Now, guys, this is basically how this application works. So whoever is in this channel is now able to see that, oh, transfer failed, but now it's resolved. That particular transfer, it could be any notification. It could be about float balance. Let's say this amount of money is in this account. Okay, we want everybody to know in that department so that anybody at all can resolve that issue when it happens. Then Aleta is for you. So basically, that's how Aleta works, and it can be integrated with these platforms, and it can work with these industries. All right, so in case you want to have a more close talk, you can reach out to us at hello@encrisoft.com, or you create an account on app.isaleta.com. Thank you.